One wrong drop and your premium Z Fold 7 could turn into an expensive regret. So what's the smartest way to protect it? In this video, we're revealing 6 rugged cases that actually work. Welcome to the channel. Links are in the description. Let's make sure your foldable survives life's real moments. The number 6 product on our list is NINKI Case. Ever dropped your phone and felt your heart sink? That's the anxiety the NINKI Case is built to erase. What sets this one apart in the lineup of top Galaxy Z Fold 7 drop protection cases is its clever mix of security, comfort, and daily practicality. The built-in strap keeps your foldable firmly in hand, even during hectic commutes or intense gym sessions, while the fold-friendly full-body armor guards both screens and the hinge like a vault. I was genuinely impressed by the invisible kickstand. It's there when you need it, gone when you don't, and perfect for long calls or Netflix. Plus, the slim feel doesn't ruin the premium vibe of the Z Fold 7. It's not flashy, but it's functional, which makes it a smart choice. If you live on the go and hate bulky cases, this one's a quiet hero. Solid protection without compromise. Curious how it compares to our next pick? Let's keep going. Number 5 is SUPCASE Case. Can a case really survive a 20-foot drop and still look good doing it? This one dares to try and pulls it off brilliantly. From the moment you snap it on, you feel that military-grade confidence kicking in. The full hinge coverage, reinforced corners, and built-in screen protector combine to create a fortress around your foldable, yet somehow it still manages to feel sleek. It's one of those rare drop protection cases that doesn't trade protection for style. The textured grip is grippy without being bulky, and the MagSafe ring is strong enough to lock onto your charger like it was made for it. The kickstand's a smart bonus too, stable, smooth, and great for Zoom or Netflix. It's definitely aimed at folks who want real-world resilience without looking like they strapped armor to their phone. Number 4 is Spigen Case. Ever seen a hinge cover that slides open like it was built into a luxury watch? That's the kind of detail this case delivers. Designed with serious engineering behind its looks, the spring-loaded hinge protector is more than a gimmick. It's a smart solution for a fragile foldable. If you've been hunting through options that made it into the top tier of drop protection cases, this one deserves its spot. The hybrid PC and TPU build balances rigid defense with everyday flexibility, and the air cushion corners do more than just look tough. They're military-tested and real-life ready. It grips your device securely thanks to its advanced locking fit, yet doesn't feel overbearing. Plus, the built-in magnets handle MagSafe charging like a pro. This is for users who demand form and function, not just flash. But how does it compare with the next contender on our list? Stick around. The third one on our list is OCASE Case. Imagine a case that doesn't just protect your phone but organizes your life. That's what makes this option stand out in our roundup of drop protection cases. The elegant leather finish adds a premium feel, but it's more than just good looks. Inside, it hides a secure card slot layout, a cash pocket, and even a built-in S-Pen holder, making it perfect for professionals, travelers, or anyone who prefers to travel light. The S-Pen slot placement is thoughtful, keeping the spine clear and ensuring easy wireless charging. But here's where it gets even smarter. The integrated RFID blocking keeps your card data secure, a feature rarely seen in foldable cases. While the flap design may not appeal to minimalists, for those who value function and protection, it's a dream combo. So how does it perform under pressure? Stay tuned. We're just getting into the real heavy-duty contenders on this list. And number 2 is FNTCASE Case. Most drop cases focus on brute strength, but what if you want power and precision? This case flips expectations with its sleek, matte finish and surprisingly refined build, making it a standout in any lineup of serious protection cases. Built-in magnets lock onto MagSafe accessories without slipping, offering the kind of secure connection most foldable users can only wish for. What impressed me was the balance. It's strong enough to handle 14-foot drop tests with military-grade assurance, yet thin enough to keep the fold's profile classy and compact. Raised edges around the camera and screen are subtle, but they quietly do the heavy lifting in real-world drops. You won't find flashy gimmicks here, just a calm, confident design that says, "I've got this." If you've been burned by bulky or fragile cases before, this one might just restore your faith. And up next, we dive into the case that's redefining premium safety. Now, moving to the last one is TORRAS Case. Ever felt like most foldable cases either look bulky or fail to inspire confidence in real-world drops? This one rewrites that story. With an ultra-slim profile that hides military-grade protection and industry-first magnetic power, this case is the sweet spot between minimalism and muscle. The magnetic force alone, 18N, is a quiet powerhouse that transforms your device into a MagSafe-ready companion without any compromise. Real-world users will appreciate how the nano-coated finish resists grime while still feeling soft to touch. And the reinforced hinge doesn't just protect, it actually makes handling feel more secure. Compared to other drop-tested cases, this one adds elegance without skipping the essentials. It's rare to find something that looks this clean and still survives a drop test, which is why it earned its spot among the top choices. If you want sleek, smart, and seriously safe, this might just be your perfect match. Let's see what challenges the next case can take on. If you want unbeatable protection with magnetic power and sleek design, TORRAS stands out as the ultimate winner. Smart, slim, unstoppable. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best Galaxy Z Fold 7 drop protection cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.